is one of those superfoods that it's excellent for people with diabetes because it has a very low hypoglycemic level. So if you used to eat rice or pasta next to your food, don't worry. Just quinoa is gonna be much better. 20%, 23% of the quinoa is protein. So this is a great gift from Peru to the whole world. So I hope you enjoy it. This is quinoa with spinach and some veggies. I bought this quinoa at Costco that is already washed. There are other kind of quinoa that need to be washed before cooked. Well, this is made the same way as rice. For each cup of quinoa, you will need 2 cups of rice. I'm gonna put a little splash of olive oil in the pan and I'm gonna add the 2 cups of quinoa. We're going to saute for about 2 minutes in the oil, okay? And now, for each cup of quinoa, we're adding 2 cups of water, so that's gonna make 4 cups of water for us, and a tablespoon of finely chopped garlic, and 1 tablespoon of salt. You're gonna bring this to a boil and cover. When it's boiling, please place over low heat and let it cook for about 8 minutes. Let me show you. I always have these pre-cooked vegetables. This mixture has green beans, carrot, and also corn, and my kids love it. So I'm just gonna freeze it. I'm gonna defrost it, okay? And I also have a big bunch of spinach. This is about 3 or 4 cups of spinach, and I'm gonna cut it in small squares, okay? So after cooking the quinoa for 8 minutes, we are gonna add the spinach on top, and then the pre-cooked vegetables that need to be defrosted. That's important, okay? So we're gonna leave them on top and cover again for another 8 minutes so the quinoa can finish cooking. Once it is ready, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter and I'm going to mix so that it melts in the vegetables that are integrated. I told you this was super easy. If you need daily inspiration of what to cook in a healthy way, look for me as Las Recetas de Laura in Instagram. And I have new recipes here in my channel every Thursday and Sunday in English. Besos and abrazos. Adiós.